Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study history for MPSC Rajyaseva. A structured approach is key to success in this crucial subject. First, thoroughly understand the syllabus to know what to focus on. Then, prioritize topics based on their importance in past examinations. Finally, gather all your essential study materials and reference books before you begin your preparation journey. Start your historical journey by covering ancient and medieval Indian history. Understand the major events, significant dynasties, and cultural advancements of these periods. However, remember to dedicate a substantial portion, approximately 60%, of your study time to modern Indian history. This period often carries more weight in the examination, so a thorough understanding is absolutely vital for scoring well. To truly master history, active learning techniques are indispensable. Create concise, easy-to-review notes that summarize key facts and concepts. Utilize visual aids like timelines and mind maps to connect events and understand their chronological order. Most importantly, regularly practice with multiple-choice questions from previous year's papers. This helps you understand the exam pattern and improve your speed and accuracy significantly. Consistent revision is the cornerstone of success. Aim to revise all your history topics at least 3 times before the actual examination. Supplement this with weekly full-length mock tests to simulate exam conditions and assess your preparation level. After each test, meticulously analyze your mistakes and identify areas needing more attention. This iterative process of practice and refinement will significantly boost your confidence and performance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.